everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today you know what the video is. Today is Black Friday and today's day is probably one of the best days in this year. It's the day filled with lots and lots of shopping bags because there's tons and tons of sale going on. And you know, every year I do the Black Friday haul, and from last year I've started the Black Friday vlog because you guys love it. So I'm gonna do the same thing this year. I'm gonna take you guys along and show you how this year the Black Friday goes. I'm really excited, and currently it is 12:20. We are heading off to city center and I'm really excited. Also, it's raining in Bahrain. I'll just show you. So as you can see, we are heading to city center right now and it's raining, guys. It's a very gloomy day today. It's the early showers. This is the first shower in Bahrain, which means winter is about to start and I'm really excited for that. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you guys love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. And now let's get started with the vlog. Oh my god, look at this line. This is the line to city center right now. And oh my god, look at how long it is. Lots of people have parked their cars in that open ground over there. And this is, I don't know how do we enter into city center right now. There's a very long line. We decided to go from the other entrance, trying to put our luck over there so that at least we might enter early. What? Oh my god, oh my god. Now what do we do? It's closed over here and we have come front. Okay guys, plan change. We are gonna keep the car in Lulu because it is right opposite city center, and if we take Uber from there, from the main entrance, it can just drop us out and then we'll come. So the same thing, when we finish our shopping, we're gonna do the same thing and go back to Lulu. Oh my god, that's the plan for now, and I'll keep updating you guys what we do. Okay, update. It's been 15 minutes and I'm still over here. Basically, the Uber we booked did not allow more than 2 people. And you might be wondering, it's only me and my mom, then what's the problem? My mom has gone inside that Uber and I am not alone over here because... Surprise, surprise! Hi. Look who's here! She's back from UK, guys! So I'm a sister waiting for the Uber. Basically, the Uber who took my mom left her in city center, and the same guy told he's coming back to pick us up, and that's amazing because we don't have to book for another one. I'm really excited for this year's shopping because this is the first time we have been waiting for this long. In city center right now. I hope you can hear me. I am yelling, but we are in city center. There are like a lot of people, but oh my god, I'm so excited. I can see a sale everywhere. There are like lots of people over here, but we are in the Nike store right now, and I want a jogger, and it's very pretty. I've got my size. It's in an L, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I was searching for the leggings, but I didn't get any because they don't have my size and it's all gone. It's very hard for me to get bottoms all the time, so I'm just gonna get this from Nike. Okay, so we got the stuff what we wanted, and my mom and sister are right now in the billing section, and I'm standing over here because there are like a lot of people over there. I'm happy because we are off to a good start with the Nikes. So I don't know what's the next stop gonna be, but basically my sister's mask is a little torn over here down, so I guess next we're gonna get a mask for her. So it's so super awkward to vlog over here. People just stare, like if they keep walking, just look behind. Shopping currently for my dad and Mama Show. We have got these 2 stuffs for now, and then we'll keep updating. She's Susan, and exciting thing is next week we're gonna plan a sleepover and we're gonna be there, and really exciting. So I met her over here and now she met Jane, so I guess I'm gonna meet her. So yeah. So hi, we are in this shop called CCC. It's basically a new shop in city center where the shop is filled with lots of shoes of different brands, and the music is really loud here, so I hope I don't get copyrighted, so I'm gonna shut my mouth and see whether we find anything cool here. There's Adidas, Nike and Skechers. If you come for Black Friday shopping and you don't visit Bath and Body Works, next destination is over here. It's so cute. Snow citrus, vanilla bean. Oh, I love the flavors. It's pretty, right? It smells amazing. Oh, wow. This is so cute. Oh my god. I hate visiting shoe stores because first of all you have to ask for the size and it doesn't fit, or like you don't get it, and then most of the things, like when you like the stuff, you don't get the size in it. I hate shoe stores. So we visited a few shops and now we're feeling hungry. Yes, the petrol is finished and now we have to go to the petrol station to fill ourselves with fuel, which means food. So we're heading to food court right now. It's open finally. Yeah, after 8 months. Okay, so we ordered KFC and they said 15 minutes for it to come. I ordered a twister because I didn't want it to have something really heavy, and it's been really long and I did not have KFC, so I ordered a twister from there. And yeah, I'm gonna update you guys what we do next. We are going to the next destination. I don't know, maybe we might go to Vinci or we might go to La Senza. So yeah, usually finds comfortable shoes only in Vinci, but unfortunately she couldn't get one because the design that she wants is not there and did not have size 2. So now I guess we're gonna go to Centrepoint because I need to get a pair of PJs. As I said, next week I'm gonna have a sleepover at my friend's house. I wanna get a PJ. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go there and see whether if I get a good one. Really sad fact, I came to Centrepoint. Oh wow, I came to Centrepoint for PJs, but I did not get them, and I don't know what do I do. And fun fact, my sister got these heels like right when we were at the billing section, and my mom just bought it. It was cheap. It was just for 3 BD, and she doesn't even know what she'll pair those with. It's all random. But now we're heading out of Centrepoint, and yeah, we just come to see some home stuff, like, you know, if we find cute Christmas decor, then obviously we'll get them. This table over here, it's so Christmas vibes. It's so cute. Mom, look at this. This is so cute. So next door, La Senza. Line over here where we are standing because it's only how many? I guess maximum 22, if you guys can see, 22. So yeah, we're waiting out here. The sale in La Senza is like buy 2, get 3 bras for free. That's like bang on thing. So that's the reason we came here. 3 persons, me, my mom and my sister, and now we're inside the store and hunting for stuffs. The shopping has been done till this much, excluding the La Senza ones. And our legs are already hurting, so it might be that we head back home. And my mom is like, we'll come tomorrow again back. But I'll keep updating. Secured. Secured the goods. Okay, as I said, we finished shopping from La Senza. And we are gonna head back home right now because our legs are hurting too bad. So we are gonna book an Uber and we're gonna do the same thing and go to Lulu. And then we're gonna take our car and go back home. And my mom is like, we'll come back tomorrow again. I have to think and decide how am I going to split the vlog because it will obviously be very long. So we are right now, and here we keep our bags in. Hi everyone, and welcome to day 2 of Black Friday shopping. So today is a Saturday, and I know a day 2, basically I've never done a second day for Black Friday, but yesterday was a very tiring day and there were a lot of long lines in most of the shops, so we skipped those shops. But that's the reason my mom suggested we can come the next day because there'll be less crowd and less people. So today is the second day and we are all ready to go to city center. So I hope you guys are excited as I am for the second day, and now en route to city center. So we have reached city center right now, and I don't know which shop we're gonna visit the first, but look how less. I wanted shoes, and I want the specific ones which are called like the Doc Martens ones. Like that's a brand, but that's what I got. Oh, okay. These were the types I was talking, like these, the chunky ones, and I found one, and I found the desired one I wanted. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, these were the ones I was talking about. I am madly in love with like these shoes, and these are the two colors, so I will probably get this, but I'll keep searching if I find like, oh my god, wow, this is also pretty. My size. So how does it look, Ma?
Nice.
It looks nice, right?
Yeah.
The clothing. Oh wow, this is such a cute top. Strange girl. It's written in the calligraphy of Stranger Things. So we are in the clothing section right now. Such pretty necklaces. Oh my god, so cute. Love the accessories in Center Point. They have so long lines in Center Point. My mom and my sister are still shopping over there, so that I will at least proceed with the line ahead, and then when they are done, then we can just pay. So yeah, I've got my things and I'm really excited. Say hi everyone! Hi! Home store. There's 25 to 70%, 75% off. So since I finally found a good mirror, I'm gonna do the outfit of the day. My jacket is from Pimki. My spaghetti, like the slip I'm wearing, is from Primark. My fanny pack is from Primark. My jeans are from Marks and Spencer, and my shoes are Vans. So yeah, that's my outfit of the day. This was the best decision of coming today. Oh, also, my mask is from India Lifestyle. In this together, I have like so many masks like that, and I love masks. I love investing on masks more than clothes these days. The best thing is that we came today because there are so many less people today. Best thing about today is that I can vlog however I want. I wouldn't have the awkward situations arising. Like if anyone comes, I have to keep my phone down. I have to vlog like this. But today I can vlog however I want. I can keep my hand, like I can keep it here and vlog. Okay, that's too much. Okay. My mom is loving that. PT teachers. Oh wow! Look at that book, it's so pretty. Open it, open it, open it. Oh, dude, it doesn't open. It doesn't open.
It opens.
It does not.
It does. Look, it has this. Yeah, this one.
Okay, someone catch here. I'll pull up here.
Look, go. Yeah.
I'll catch it down.
No, nothing.
It doesn't open. I told you.
Then why do they have that thing? Money waste on that.
Okay, so it's 1:30 and we are hungry, so we are heading to food court to have something for lunch. The Jasmine and I ordered, and fun fact, they told me if I order one mighty chicken, I'll get a Big J free, and that's what we did. And then for free, we got one meal. And my mom ordered pasta, my sister ordered McDonald's. Next shop. So we're from H&M, and the offer here is buy one get one free. I can only see a lot of winter stuffs here. Oh wow, this is pretty.
Oh, look at this
Oh
top.
wow. There's in the billing section, and done shopping in H&M. My mom's gone to the washroom, even my sister. I am out here because I have the trolley, and we finished H&M shop. Also, I didn't realize, but the security guard was just staring at me. Good for me. Awkward. So we are in Sephora store right now. My foundation is over, and that's the reason I came here to check for a foundation. I usually wear the foundation from Sephora and MAC, so I wanted to change this time, but unfortunately Huda Beauty did not have my shade. Sale going on in the Sephora side where you get buy one get one free. Shop, which is Tommy Hilfiger, and there is like 25 to 50% sale. Look at this shirt. It's Jesus. Lewis Hamilton x Tommy Hilfiger, and it's so pretty. So we're gonna check a little, and then yeah. I fall for the color coordination over here. I mean, look at the color coordination. The red, blue and white. Just, oh my god, I love it. I love it. And especially the kids section. Oh my god. Secure the goods. Guys, we have done shopping. My sister has gone to Starbucks to get coffee, and I and my mom are heading back to the parking lot. She'll come back. So now we are done with the shopping and we're heading back home. What is
Put an audio. When you press, they'll come.
what?
Yeah, much, very much.
For what sound? That is it for the vlog, guys. After like 7-8 hours of shopping, including today and yesterday, finally the Black Friday shopping 2020 is all complete, and it was really fun shopping this year. And this was the first time we did a 2-day trip to city center, and it was honestly the best because we could grasp on stuffs more easily, and also I am really excited to show each and everything I bought. So if you guys love this vlog, please don't forget to give this video a big like, don't forget to share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video, so that you guys will get notified whenever I upload the Black Friday haul 2020. And I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay safe, and don't forget to always keep smiling, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye bye.